Welcome to Insurance Funda. We're here to help you understand the key features of LIC's Jeevan Laksha Plan 733. Every parent dreams of a bright future for their child, be it as a doctor, architect, scientist, or any path they choose. But how can you ensure these dreams are protected no matter what life brings? Introducing LIC's Jeevan Laksha Plan 733, designed to secure your child's aspirations against all odds. Jeevan Laksha is a no-linked, participating endowment plan that offers a blend of protection and savings. It ensures financial stability for your family, especially your child's future, even in your absence. Premium waiver. In the unfortunate event of the policyholder's demise, all future premiums are waived off, ensuring no financial burden on the family. Annual income benefit. Starting from the policy anniversary following the policyholder's death, 10% of the basic sum assured is provided annually to the family until 1 year before maturity. Maturity benefit. At maturity, 110% of the basic sum assured, along with accrued bonuses, is paid out, even if the policyholder is no longer present. Let's illustrate this with a practical example. Suppose you choose a basic sum assured of 10 lakhs rupees with a policy term of 21 years and a premium paying term of 18 years. Now, imagine an unfortunate event happens during this period. In such a case, LIC's Jeevan Laksha Plan steps in to support your family. Firstly, the policyholder's family begins receiving 1 lakh rupees every year, 10% of the sum assured, up until 1 year before the policy reaches maturity. This annual income benefit helps cover living expenses and provides financial stability in challenging times. Then, upon the policy's maturity, your family receives 11 lakhs rupees, that's 110% of the basic sum assured, plus all the accumulated bonuses and final additional bonus. Currently, the bonus rate is 46,000 rupees annually, which would add up to an impressive 9,66,000 rupee over 21 years. In addition, a final additional bonus, FAP, of 100 rupee per 1,000 rupees sum assured is added, bringing in an extra 1 lakh rupees. In total, at maturity, your family receives approximately 21,66,000 rupees without paying any further premiums after the policyholder's demise. To summarize, total maturity benefit 21,66,000 rupees, including bonuses and FAP. Total premiums paid over 18 years 9,60,195 rupees. With LIC's Jeevan Laksha, you're not only protecting your family but also building a substantial future fund, all with the peace of mind that comes from knowing your loved ones are financially secure. Tax benefits. Premiums paid and payouts received are eligible for tax benefits under Sections 80C and 10(10)(d) of the Income Tax Act. Loan facility. Need funds during the policy term? You can avail loans against the policy after 1 year of premium payments. Optional riders. Enhance your coverage with riders like accidental death and disability benefit or new term assurance rider. Entry age 18 to 50 years. Policy term 13 to 25 years. Premium paying term, policy term minus 3 years. Minimum basic sum assured 2 lakhs rupees. Life is unpredictable, but your child's future shouldn't be. With Jeevan Laksha, you ensure that their dreams are nurtured and protected, come what may. Want to explore customized quotes and understand all the benefits of Jeevan Laksha Plan 733 for your family? Download Smart All-in-One Calculator the Android app trusted by over 1.2 million users. From insurance guidance to financial tools, it's your go-to resource. Find the download link in the description below. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to Insurance Funda and share this video to help others secure their family's future. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.